See that? Didn't see you there. Welcome to our senior design project, Cornhole automated scoring cornhole board using camera, vision, and AI technology. I'm Eric Diffendal. One of my group members, Jonah Harsh, is behind the camera, and then Connor Lengel and Sukie are in our group as well. We set out back in the fall. We were looking for a way to be able to score cornhole autonomously. When you are playing cornhole, whether it's in the backyard, at a barbecue, at an event, something of that nature, scoring starts to become a big problem. Also, it's difficult for some people to pick up the scoring, how points are deducted, how points are added, things of that nature. So we set out for a way to make that autonomous. This is our first prototype, but we started with using sensor technology, trying to add sensors into our cornhole bags. That proved to be difficult because of the damage that it took from impact, and then also the cost of the sensors themselves became too costly to be able to build a good prototype and iterate this in the future. So we moved to vision technology using 2 total camera systems. So we have one camera that is on top, it is looking down at the board, and then we have a second camera that is mounted underneath the board, both by PLA systems, and we also have an LED illuminated underboard to add resolution to the pictures. So to train our first initial model, we used CVAT, uploaded over 1,000 pictures, annotated each of those with the rectangular annotations to differentiate between red and blue bags, and then we used YOLO after we finished annotating to actually train the model, the AI model that we ended up using.
So here is our Python code. As you can see, these are the 2 cameras, obviously the underneath camera and the above camera. You're able to tell what bag is what and what the AI model is seeing. Here is the user interface that we used HTML to code. You obviously have the scores of each team, and then you have these squares indicating how many bags each team has left. We have set up the scenario, and as you can see, red team throws and misses, a bag will be deducted from there. Blue throws, makes another one on, their score will go up and a bag will be deducted. Once all bags are thrown, the round is over and it prompts you to pick up all bags. This message will stay up until it detects no more bags and all of them are picked up. In this scenario, blue team is at 19 points, red team is at 8, blue has 1 more bag left. In cornhole, if you go over 21 points, you go back to 15. So let's say blue throws it, accidentally makes it in the hole. They'll be over 21, they'll be prompted to go back to 15 and the score resets automatically. Throughout this project, we have learned Python coding, HTML coding, as well as how to train an AI model, which none of us have had experience with that, so it's been a very good learning experience.
As this project comes to a close, we would like to thank our faculty advisor, Dr. Scott Sawyer, for all of his guidance and assistance throughout the past year. We would also like to thank Dr. Yalan Dong for all of his assistance with training our AI model, teaching us how to run through CVAT, YOLO, and eventually implement it into the system we have now. So we couldn't have done it without those 2, as well as the College of Engineering and Polymer Science.